हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ दीपाली। मैं हूँ आपकी योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर और आज के इस सेशन में हम करने वाले हैं हाई इंटेंसिटी योगा वर्कआउट। और आज का सेशन बेस्ड रहेगा आर्म्स एंड शोल्डर्स पे। इसके पहले के पार्ट में हमने की लेग्स एंड थाइज वर्कआउट, तो आज हम लोग फोकस करेंगे आर्म्स एंड शोल्डर्स पे। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। We are going to start our session by doing 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So in total, that's 6 Surya Namaskar, one with the right and one with the left. So come at the top of your mat, both hands at shoulder line, palms together. Breathe in and breathe out. Now 2 inhale, go back side, back bend. 3 exhale, come forward. Padhastasana. Take your right leg back in Shavasana. Left leg back into plank position. Exhale down. Chaturanga. Knees, chin and chest down. Inhale up into Bhujangasana. Exhale. Come into mountain. Breathe in, breathe out. Take your right leg forward, left leg forward. Inhale up, go back side, back bend. And 12. 1, 2, 3, exhale forward. 4, left leg back, right leg back. Exhale down, Chaturanga. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Come into mountain pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Inhale up, go back side, back bend. And relax. Next round. 1, 2, 3, forward bend. 4, take your right leg back. 5, left leg back. 6, exhale down, Chaturanga. 7, Bhujangasana. 8, mountain pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 9, right leg forward in Ashwasancharan. Left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, go back. 12. With the left leg, 1, 2, inhale back. 3, exhale forward. 4, left leg back into Asvasancharan. Right leg back, Dandasana. Exhale down, Chaturanga. Up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now left leg forward, right leg forward. Inhale, go back. And Namaskar. The third round. 1, 2, inhale, go back. 3, exhale, come forward. 4, take your right leg back into Asvasancharan. Left leg back to plank position. Exhale down, Chaturanga. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale. Come into mountain. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Inhale up, go back side, back bend. And Namaskar. 2, 3, 4, left leg back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg forward, 10, 11 and 12. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's start with our main routine. So let's come at the top of your mat. Breathe in and breathe out. This is also going to be a sequence. Both hands together, inhale and exhale. 2, Uttanasana. Bend your knees in chair pose. Hold here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale, forward. Again, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly jump back into plank position. Bend your knees slightly and go back side. Exhale, go down into Chaturanga. Inhale up. Bhujangasana, roll your shoulders back and look up. Exhale, come into mountain. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Hold here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now, from here, we are going to touch our left ankle with our right hand like this. Come into plank and again repeat the same with the other side. Left hand to right ankle like this. So, we are going to continue this. Come into mountain, touch your left ankle with the right hand, come back into plank and repeat the same with the other side. 2, now continue, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last round. Breathe in, breathe out. And again come into plank position. Hold here. Now exhale. Go down into Chaturanga. Bhujangasana. Mountain. Now jump forward in between your hands. Again bend your knees slightly. Jump forward. Inhale. Come back up. Go back side, back bend and relax. Let's start the second round. Breathe in, breathe out. Join your palms. 2, Uttanasana. Bend your knees in chair pose. Hold here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale, come forward into Padahastasana. Again hold here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now jump back. Bend your knees slightly. Inhale and jump back into plank position. Exhale. Come down into Chaturanga. Knee, chin and chest down. Inhale up into Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back and look up. Exhale. Come into mountain. Try to touch your heel to the ground, keeping your back straight. Lengthen your spine. Hold for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. From here we are going to bend our elbows like this, keeping our hip like that. Now you can interlock your hands if you want. Bring your face in between your hands like this. Try to look up, and now we are going to go forward and back side like this. Now We are going to do this for 15 counts. So continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Sorry, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now again come back into mountain. Place your both hands on the ground. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale. Come back into plank position. Sorry, Chaturanga. Exhale down. Inhale up into Bhujangasana. Exhale. Come into mountain. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale. Jump forward. Now hold here for 5 breaths. I know your hands are killing you, but be there for 1 more round. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Go back side and relax. The next round, join your both palms. Inhale and exhale. 2, Uttanasana. Bend your knee. Sit in chair pose. Hold here, keeping your back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale. Come forward into Padahastasana. Again hold here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Jump back side. Bend your knee slightly. Hold. Now exhale. Go down into Chaturanga. Up Bhujangasana. Exhale. Come into mountain pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Again hold here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here we are going to place our left hand on our back like this. Now balance yourself on the right hand. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now switch your hand. Left hand on the ground and right hand on our back. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Exhale. Again. Come into mountain. Breathe in and breathe out. Now exhale into Chaturanga. Knees down, chin down and chest down. Inhale up into Bhujangasana. Again, come back into mountain. Now slowly jump forward in between your hands. Adhastasana. Inhale, lift. Go back side and relax. If you want to continue, then you can repeat this sequence one more time. And don't forget to stretch after this workout. So let's take 2 minutes of Shavasana after this workout session. Just lie down on your back. Take distance in between your legs. Both hands facing the sky. Close your eyes and deep breathe in, breathe out. Take a long deep inhale, long deep exhale. Just focus on yourself. Try to relax each and every muscle. Slowly relax your hands, your shoulders, your arms, legs, and the rest of the body. And just be there, focusing on yourself for a few more breaths. Your left leg, take support of your left hand and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your back straight. Relax your shoulders. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Gently open your eyes. So that's it for today's video guys. आज हमने की आर्म एंड शोल्डर फोकस्ड हाई इंटेंसिटी योगा वर्कआउट. इसके पहले सेशन में हमने किया था लेग्स एंड थाई फोकस्ड वर्कआउट. तो उसकी लिंक मैं यहाँ पे दे दूंगी. डू चेक इट आउट. एंड इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं कोर एंड ऑब्लिक. स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल देन डू like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.